Hello everybody, welcome back to another main channel video. So today I'm going to be doing two videos today, so if you see me in the same outfit that is why. I'm going to be doing a full face of Superdrug's cheapest makeup. So I'll tell you the prices and everything like that, and I will leave the products down below. So let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first is this primer. This is the Instaglow primer from Miss Sporty. So it looks like an luminous primer. Okay. Put like a few like dots here and let's see what it does. Okay, so right off the back it's very like slimy. And it's left kind of like a little glow, but like not too much. So there's nothing really to say about primers until like you've tested them. Moving on from that, I'm going to be using the Collection Naturally Matte All Day Fresh Matte Finish Foundation in the shade Porcelain, which is number 1, which I believe is the lightest shade. Okay, that's thick. Oh my god. Start off with that amount first and let's see how it goes. Whoa, that's thick. See if it's the right colour. This was £2.9. I don't know why it was £2.9 and not £2.10, but you know, it's all good. Okay, so right from the back, it isn't at all like any coverage whatsoever. It's very sheer. On to concealer, I got the MUA Hide and Conceal thing in a stick, and this is in Fair. So I'm not having high hopes for this, but I'm gonna put it under my eyes and see if it does anything. I don't think it will. But we just never know. Put my chin, my forehead. See if it's got any cover at this flat brush. Let's pack it in. So it has some coverage, like I wouldn't like at all. I would not say this is full coverage whatsoever. Just leave it. You can still see like my bags a little bit, but you know, it's not horrible. I have the MUA Riches Makeup Academy Translucent Press Powder. I can't speak. Looks something like this. out because like all primers and powders are like the same, you know. We're going to open this one instead. This is the Collection Contour Kit Highlight and Sculpt. So it has a highlight and a contour shade. So professional makeup brush in this number 22. Like, why is everything still wet? Anyway, I'm going to use this silicone mini mirror. And I'm just going to contour. Okay, so moving on to blusher. It's in the shade Marshmallow. I don't know why I picked this shade. One. And that's it. And I'm not going to do any more because I know it's going to be pigmented. That's how much product I put up. Moving on to highlight. We have two highlights to choose from. We have the one in the palette, the contour kit, and then we have the Miss Sporty one. I'm going to put it on my left cheek. Put this on. So I'm going to test the Miss Sporty one now. This is the Miss Sporty Insta Glow in 101 Golden Glow. It's like a little honeycomb, which is so cute. I'm taking on this primer brush and I'm just going to go wee. I'm going to use my mirror. Moving on to my brows, I have the Revolution Duo Brow Pencil. To fill them in a little bit. The spool is actually quite nice. So I just need to fill them in a little bit, not too much. So let's give this a whirl, because my favourite at the moment is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So I'm going to use an up close mirror. See if it's the right shade. Oh yeah, perfect match. And for the eyes, I have two palettes. I have the Collection Eyes Uncovered Matte Nude Rose in Let Your Eyes Do the Talking. Just a matte eyeshadow. And I got this for free because I spent like over £25, I think, or it was over £30 on Revolution, and I got £25 products for free basically. So I got this really nice palette for free, a very neutral palette. And I'm going to start off with this pinky colour here. They don't have names except numbers, so number 3. There. And then I'm going to take a dab of the brown shade, which is the last shade, on the same brush. I'm just going to put that in the corners. Just to like deepen the concept of time. That is pretty. My camera cut out because I filmed for too long, which is called Bare Pink on this new brush. I'm just going to get that, and I'm just going to pack that on there. Okay, so it's very glittery. I think it's more glitter than a pink. So it's like white on camera, but you know what. Moving on to mascara, I have the Collection Colour Lash Mascara, and this was £1.39. Looks like this. Okay, so it's definitely separated. Like it's a lot separated. I'll show you the difference in a minute. I was going to do my top lashes. Well, that's the difference. And finally for lipstick, this was also 70p, and this is the MUA lipstick in the shade 7. It's literally just in the shade 7, doesn't have a name. It's this pink colour, so. Okay, first impressions, it's very glittery and creamy. The Barry M setting spray, which was £3.49, and it's a Flawless Mist and Fix makeup setting spray. This is a dewy finish. They didn't have the matte version in stock. Oh yeah, that has given me a glow. I will leave all the products down below. Please give this a massive thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell, and see you next Wednesday.